Video topic: The rise of NFTs, exploring the fascinating world of non-fungible tokens. First, you have to know what is NFT. NFT stand for non-fungible tokens. NFTs are redefining how we view and exchange digital assets. In contrast to cryptocurrencies, NFTs use blockchain technology to securely verify ownership of unique goods like artwork, music, films, or virtual real estate. Since each NFT is unbreakable, a permanent and transparent record of its provenance and ownership history is provided. NFTs usher in a new era of digital ownership and creative expression by allowing collectors to possess rare digital assets and artists to monetize their works. Discover the endless possibilities offered by NFTs in the ever-evolving digital landscape as you explore the intriguing world of NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have completely changed the way people control digital assets. The music, gaming, art, and collectibles sectors are all being transformed by these distinctive digital assets. By using blockchain technology, NFTs provide producers and collectors with a decentralized marketplace while ensuring authenticity, provenance, and scarcity. NFTs offer a concrete and unchangeable way to establish ownership in the digital sphere, whether it's of a priceless work of digital art, a priceless sporting moment, or an exclusive virtual object. Explore the fascinating world of NFTs, where innovation meets blockchain, and learn about the exciting future prospects for this groundbreaking technology. Connection between blockchain and NFTs. Unlocking a groundbreaking connection between blockchain technology and NFTs, the two are inextricably linked. NFTs are known for their security, transparency, and ownership verification thanks to the underlying technology of blockchain. Because blockchain is decentralized, it guarantees that every NFT transaction is recorded on a public ledger, making it impenetrable and open to all participants. NFTs are protected from unauthorized alterations, forgery, or duplication thanks to blockchain's cryptographic algorithms and consensus procedures. Each NFT is given a distinct digital signature that ensures its provenance and legitimacy. As a result, artists, makers, and collectors can safely demonstrate ownership of each NFT and trace its development. Additionally, the transparency of the blockchain makes it possible to quickly track NFT transactions and create an auditable record of ownership transfers. By enabling artists to receive royalties anytime their NFTs are sold again, this transparent nature promotes a more fair and sustainable ecology for creators. NFTs have transformed the digital world by embracing blockchain technology and providing a secure, transparent, and verifiable way to hold and trade digital assets. Blockchain continues to be crucial in determining the future of digital ownership as the world comes to understand the potential of NFTs. Types of NFTs. Explore the many different types of NFTs and learn about their fascinating universe. The possibilities are infinite, ranging from fascinating digital art and one-of-a-kind antiques to virtual real estate and groundbreaking music. Discover famous NFT examples that have caused a stir and comprehend their relevance in influencing this new sector. Explore the world of digital art NFTs, where creators are pushing the limits of conventional aesthetic expression. As aficionados enjoy the excitement of possessing unique digital objects, valuable NFTs, such as sports memorabilia and trading cards, are on the rise. Explore NFTs that symbolize virtual real estate by stepping into the virtual world, where virtual landscapes have tremendous value and offer engaging experiences. Creating and owning NFTs. Explore the step-by-step adventure as we uncover how to make and own NFTs. Learn about minting NFTs, platforms that make it easy to buy and trade them, and the value of digital wallets for safely holding these distinctive digital assets. Learn the nuances of minting an NFT, where digital content is converted into a unique token on the blockchain. To get started, discover the websites and online stores that enable artists, makers, and collectors to participate in the NFT ecosystem. NFT aficionados have a wide range of options, from well-known platforms like OpenSea and Rarible to specialized platforms for art, music, and gaming. Understand the idea of digital wallets, which serve as safe havens for managing and keeping NFTs. Learn about well-liked digital wallet choices like MetaMask and Trust Wallet and how they facilitate simple transactions and ownership confirmation. Protect your digital assets and feel secure knowing that your NFTs are kept in a secure, private environment. NFT Marketplaces. Explore the vibrant NFT marketplaces, where producers can offer their digital treasures to awaiting collectors, and set out on a voyage through their realm. Investigate well-known websites like OpenSea, Rarible, and NBA Top Shot to learn about the buying and selling practices behind the NFT movement. Learn about OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace, which offers a wide range of digital goods, including everything from virtual real estate to art and antiquities. Explore Rarible, a decentralized platform that enables creators to directly mint, sell, and exchange their one-of-a-kind works of art. Also, don't miss NBA Top Shot, a website where basketball fans can trade and acquire officially licensed NBA NFTs depicting legendary moments in the game. NFTs' impact on the art world. Discover the advantages and difficulties of owning digital art as you explore the revolutionary effects of NFTs on the traditional art sector. Learn how NFTs revolutionize the idea of provenance and offer digital artworks an unprecedented level of transparency and authentication. Learn about the benefits of owning digital art, such as improved accessibility and the capacity to display pieces in virtual galleries. Find out how smart contracts can be used by artists to earn royalties and guarantee that they receive a cut of future sales, even those made on the secondary market. Examine the difficulties the art industry faces, such as copyright violations and the environmental effects of blockchain technology. Discover how the digital art industry and platform landscape is changing and how artists may interact with a worldwide audience while showcasing their works. As NFTs let artists to access new markets and earn money directly from their work, observe the democratization of art ownership. Discover how technology and creativity can work together dynamically, and discover the virtually endless possibilities that NFTs offer the creative world. Environmental concerns. Learn about the environmental impact of NFTs and the issues with blockchain technology's energy usage. Examine the current argument over whether NFTs are sustainable and consider possible strategies to reduce their environmental impact. Discover how producing and selling NFTs requires a lot of energy, raising concerns about the environmental impact of blockchain networks. Consider the variable levels of energy efficiency of the various blockchain consensus algorithms, such as proof-of-work (POW) and proof-of-stake (POS). Investigate new programs and technologies that attempt to produce NFTs that are more environmentally friendly. Discover the creative strategies being used to lessen the environmental impact of NFTs, from the creation of eco-friendly blockchains to the offsetting of carbon emissions through renewable energy projects. Future outlook. Explore the potential for NFTs to influence society outside the context of art. Examine the various sectors, such as gaming, virtual reality, ticketing, and others, where NFTs are likely to have a big impact. Learn more about how NFTs can revolutionize player ownership, digital collectibles, and in-game assets in the gaming industry. Learn how NFTs and blockchain technology are changing the game industry and allowing users to actually own and sell their virtual goods. Explore how NFTs can improve immersive experiences, virtual land ownership, and digital clothing within virtual worlds by immersing yourself in the world of virtual reality. Unlock new opportunities for creativity and revenue by understanding the convergence between NFTs and virtual reality. Keep up with the times and see how NFTs are being used outside the realm of the arts. Find out how non-fungible tokens can disrupt a variety of markets, including music and entertainment, real estate, and more. Accept the possibilities of the future and the fascinating chances that this groundbreaking technology offers. Tips for NFT investors. Learn useful advice from industry professionals for those wishing to enter the field of NFT investment. Gain useful knowledge about the measures that must be taken before investing in NFTs, such as rigorous research, due diligence, and knowledge of market trends. By keeping up with the most recent trends and up-and-coming artists, you may learn how to negotiate the dynamic NFT market. Examine practical methods for locating valuable NFTs, estimating their growth potential, and making wise investment choices. When investing in NFTs, perfect the art of defining a budget and minimizing risk. Learn how to assess the long-term worth of NFT acquisitions, determine their financial viability, and maintain a well-balanced investment portfolio. Learn the value of networking within the NFT community by getting in touch with buyers, artists, and industry insiders. Learn the advantages of participating in debates, going to events, and getting mentorship to improve your knowledge and make wise investment decisions. Armed with useful advice and insightful information, start your NFT investment adventure with confidence. With the information and resources necessary to make wise investment choices and maximize your chances of success, you can begin your investigation of this fascinating class of digital assets. Conclusion. The NFTs non-fungible tokens has completely changed the digital economy by providing rare opportunities for producers, investors, and collectors. The traditional art market is being upended by these blockchain-based tokens, which also enable gaming, virtual reality, ticketing, and other industries. They also guarantee security, transparency, and ownership verification. While platforms for purchasing and selling NFTs are offered through marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible, the push for more sustainable practices is being driven by worries about the environment. Research, market knowledge, and budgeting are essential for anybody interested in investing. Accepting NFTs provides access to a vibrant and developing digital environment. Thank you for taking the time to explore the comprehensive information about NFTs. We hope you found it valuable. If you enjoyed it, please hit the button and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos.